Welcome to the National Credit Awareness and Resolution Association podcast, your source for navigating debt repayment challenges during tough economic times. Today we'll explore how to effectively use Creditor Tools, specifically abundance of caution. NACARA aims to bridge the gap between debtors and creditors as a paradigm shift allows debtors to propose their own repayment solutions. We'll share insight tips to help you leverage this knowledge and strengthen your position. Let's get started. Abundance of caution. Creditors will take liens against, but not lend money for certain probable collateral, like reserves or real estate or a blanket lien on all assets, because of some type of uncertainty or its speculative nature. The inclusion as collateral is usually as an abundance of caution with little or no value assigned to it. In other words, for example, the real estate taken as collateral is not the reason or the purpose for making the loan. Therefore, the loan terms may be unlike those of a real estate loan with a lower interest rate and longer term maturity. But there must be some value in the real estate collateral taken as abundance of caution. Creditors are required to get appraisals or evaluations on certain real estate unless it can be shown that the real estate collateral taken was used only as an abundance of caution. The creditor would have to clearly demonstrate and verify that repayment sources, other than the collateral, for example, like cash flow, were well supported other than any reliance on the real estate collateral at all, and no appraisal would therefore be required by the creditor. Abundance of caution lending will have to be very thoroughly documented in the credit approval memo. The creditor will still secure its intended lien priority position and ensure the same with an ALTA title policy and hazard insurance. So why is this abundance of caution important to you? It's an opportunity to save some money. It's possible your financial performance has declined, but is still acceptable. A creditor may very well wish to secure your loans with additional collateral to protect its interest, and you may have, for example, real estate that could be pledged to your loan as collateral, but the new collateral could possibly be taken as an abundance of caution only. The good part is that you would likely save the cost of an appraisal, an expensive appraisal, if it can be shown that your primary source of repayment is still sufficient. Well, thank you for joining us. Today we covered the creditor tool abundance of caution as debtors prepare to propose their own repayment solutions. We want to hear from you too. Share your own credit risk memo and experiences, recommendations, and so forth with us at NCARA or NACARA.org. If you found today's episode helpful, please subscribe for notifications of future podcasts. Your feedback helps small businesses stay in business. Until next time, step forward and take responsibility for your own debt repayment solutions. Thanks again.